Sygo stands as a reputable CNC machining supplier. It's main in CNC machining parts, CNC turning parts, CNC milling parts, auto lathe parts, stamping parts, powder metallurgy parts. We've cultivated enduring relationships with clients across industrial robots, hydraulic systems, reducers, aerospace, medical, fire technology, automotive industries. Our track record speaks volumes, showcasing a consistent delivery of top-notch products and services that have garnered trust and satisfaction among our clients. A cornerstone of our success lies in our unwavering commitment to quality and service excellence. We take immense pride in our ability to provide cutting-edge CNC solutions that meet and exceed industry standards. Our stringent quality control measures ensure that each product leaving our facility is of the highest caliber, contributing to our reputation as a reliable and trusted supplier. Moreover, our company culture fosters a supportive and collaborative environment where talent is nurtured and valued. Our skilled team of technicians is the backbone of our operations, and through effective management and continuous training, we ensure their expertise remains at the forefront of technological advancements in the CNC industry. Since the establishment of Sygo, serve customers better and make Sygo from good to excellent. We sincerely welcome you and look forward to cooperating with you for a bright future.